Are you ready to make the new year your best year ever? Are you excited to create a breakthrough success season? Are you having 2022 vision? Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm here as your transformational coach to help you have a strong start to the new year for a new you. I've been coaching for close to 20 years, and this is my favorite time of the season where you get to say, out with the old and in with the new and in with the new me. We're going to be pulling from my January chapter for my masterclass going down on Friday, January the 7th, which is complimentary to all current J&L VIP members. Now, if you're not a member, you really should join to make your year the best year ever. We're going to be talking about our vision boards, things that we can do now to get ready for the new year, food, motivation, mindset, mental wellness, plus so much more. Let's do this.